y'all, it's your girl TJ. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and think about subscribing for the vibe or whatever. If you're not, welcome back, and I'm glad you came back. As you can see by the title, today is a relax and touch-up day and a whole wash day in style. So if you want to see that and wonder how I got here, then keep watching. Right here, I'm just showing y'all what came in the box. It came with the 2 activators, conditioner, 2 oils, instructions, shampoo, gloves, and a stick. Now I'm just showing y'all the consistency of this mix. It is different from a relaxer because the relaxer is more thicker, and I'm just showing y'all how it was a little more watery than a relaxer, but it wasn't too bad. Right here, y'all, I just finished applying the relaxer to my head, and I'm just going back through it to see did I miss any spots, y'all. And before I applied my relaxer, I put the oil in my hair that came with the kit, and I coated my ends with my blue magic hair grease conditioner. And y'all, my left side did not want to cooperate right. It was not ready to be washed out. That side was still thick, so I just applied some more before it was time to wash it out. The lights went out. It was thundering this day as I was applying it to my head, so I know you guys can't see this clip that well, but I'm just taking some in with my hands. Like, the gloves that come in these kits are not good, so I'm just like going back through it with my fingers now, getting the back of my head before I go ahead and rinse it out. And I did my edges right before this so they won't sit on my nape and my edges for a very long time. These are the shampoos that I use to wash the relaxer out. Right here, I just washed the relaxer out, and I'm showing you guys the deep treatment mask that I chose to use, and I let it sit on my head for about 30 minutes. Now I'm just showing y'all how I like to apply my mask. I like to apply it as if I'm relaxing my hair, so I can try to get every strand so it will be moisturized and shiny when I wash it out. I went in with a Just For Me conditioner, and I let it sit for about 15 minutes, and my hair was so soft and shiny afterwards, y'all. I really like this stuff. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm finna do. I want to do this before I put the flat irons in my hair, so after I flat iron, I won't have to put nothing in my hair. Spray it before I blow dry it with my heat protector, the Tresemme. Then I'm gonna put a little drop of this and just spread it around some gloss. Then blow dry it. So let's do this. I do not like the way this smells. It smells like some main cologne. Take a little drop of this. That's enough. And just go through it. Go through my hair. Y'all, my hair is so soft. And y'all, from the ORS relaxer, when I told y'all my last video where I relaxed my hair, the ORS had broke off like strands and around my edges. But I've been using my black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and my wild growth oil, and my different little homemade mixtures or whatever. And my edges trying to grow back. I'm a little bald spot growing back. But yeah, it's doing good. Right here, y'all, I'm just showing y'all how much hair came out of my head while blow drying this inside of my brush, and it wasn't much at all, so I really like that. Okay, y'all, this is what I'm flat ironing my hair with. My Baby Bliss titanium flat irons. These are brand new. I got these from Sally's Beauty, and I have not used these on my real hair. I flat ironed some weave with it one time, but I didn't put no product on it, so I'm not gonna put no product on my hair before I flat iron it. But when I'm done flat ironing, I'll come back. Now I'm just showing y'all how my hair looks after I finish flat ironing it. Then I'm going to show y'all how it looks after I finish clipping my ends right here. I had to cut the back and the front differently because I have a bang in the front and my hair is growing in a V, like a V in the back. And I kind of have a bob right now, so my hair is in a very awkward stage, but I did clip all of it. After all that, y'all, I just decided to go ahead and wrap my hair up for the night, and I'm going to use my do-rag to put over my hairnet to secure it for the night. And y'all, it's the next morning, and I'm about to unwrap my hair and try to style it without reapplying heat to my hair, because I don't want to do that. I already blow dried it and flat ironed it yesterday, so I don't want to add any more heat to my hair. So that's what I'm about to do now. Y'all, the do-rag wasn't working, so I haven't wrapped my hair in a while. I forgot I do the net and the scarf, and sometimes I put the bonnet over the net and scarf. Y'all, I just went ahead and styled my hair like this. I tried to like lay it down. This middle part, I tried to lay my sides, my bangs down, leave some little cute hair out. I like when the girls be doing this on Pinterest, but I really think this is cute when they leave a little side hair out. But this is all I could think of because my bang is so awkward. My hair is trying to grow long, and it's trying to go like this now. My hair always grows like this, but I cut it in the bob, so it's like, my hair is at an awkward stage right now. But this is what I could come up with, and I kind of like it. My skin looking good today, so. But yeah, like,